What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. We have a very old faucet that we're trying to replace. So this is how you replace your bathroom faucet. First thing you want to do is turn off your water. And you're going to do that by locating these handles here. And you're going to turn them clockwise. Second thing you want to do is locate these screws here, which you're going to turn just like so. See how these little plates came off? And we're going to and of course you have to do both sides. Then you want to unscrew this just enough to get the middle part out. And you can see now it's loose, before it wasn't. So now it's ready to come out. Alright, so now that we have both of these disconnected, we can go ahead and pull the faucet out. And out with the old. Now here's the thing, this hasn't been replaced in I don't know how long. This looks to be, I don't know, 10, 15 years old. But we're going to pull it right out. Look at how filthy that is. There you go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up first. And that looks a whole lot better. So now we have the new. This is what I picked up, a Kohler. How do you pronounce that? Katoon? So let's pull it out. And in with the new. Alright, so let's see. So now we got that all set up. So now we have to go and get some water lines. Because apparently I was thinking I was going to be able to use these old ones. But no, we don't want to use those anyway. We have to have something that goes from, or that reaches from up there to here. So I'm going to stop the video here, go pick it up, and we'll be right back. Before we do that though, we got to get these back in place. Hold on a second. There you go. Alright, come on. Okay, so we just got back from Home Depot. Got these for about $7 and change. Per one of these, I got the, how long are these? 16 inches. They're a little bit thicker. So, let's plug them in. And they are screwed in tight. There you go. So the other part that I almost forgot to talk about was the drain. So you got this stopper up here. So this comes in one piece, but actually it's two pieces. The top part you want to obviously put up here. But then the bottom, as you can see, it goes nicely fit in there. You got your seal there. So you just got to disconnect this part here to obviously, slide it in from the top, put the top piece down, plug this in, screw it in. That's all she wrote. Now you have your drain. Faucet is now installed properly. Hot water's good, cold water's good. Simple as that. You can go ahead and call yourself a plumber. Thank you as always for watching. See you with the next one. Take care.